Hello and welcome. My name is Andre Theodore and this is my video tutorial on creating an ISO file or image using the Tools Lite. So first off, what is an ISO image? It is an image of a physical optical disc like a CD, DVD or Blu-ray. You can also refer to it as a virtual copy of these discs. After you have created an image of this, it will usually look like the Tools icon or the magic ISO icon. Of course, we will be using Tools Lite, and the name of your ISO image will be whatever you give it with the .iso extension in the end. So why even create an ISO image? Well, for one, ISO images can run up to 10 times faster than the regular CD or DVD drives. And an ISO image cannot be broken, lost, or scratched. Yes, you know you are guilty of this. What would you need for this task? You would need to download and install Tools Lite, and you will also need the optical disc of the software that you're going to create the image of. So now, let's create an ISO image. So now, to create this ISO image, you will need a very useful tool called Tools Lite 4. So now go to your web browser. Mine is Google Chrome, and in the text box, start typing DAEMON, and here it pops up. Choose the result that says daemon-tools.cc and click on it, and then scroll down the web page until you see Tools Lite 4. Click on free download, and then ignore all the commercials and go to the download link. And there, as you can see, my download of Tools Lite has started. And if you have a good connection, it will download very fast. And when this has finished downloading, you will go to your downloads folder or wherever you have your downloads coming in, whichever folder you have your downloads pointed to, and you would go there and double click on the executable file and proceed to install Tools. So now that you have already installed Tools, go to your start button and start typing DAE. You can go this way if the shortcut does not appear on your desktop. And let's click on Tools Lite. And here you will see the image catalog and control panel for Tools. As you can see here, I've already been working with some images, but low down here we have a very useful toolbar. This button here is the Add Image button, where you can add an ISO to the catalog here on top if you have already created one. This other button is the Remove Items. You just click on any of these ISOs here, and this button here will remove it. The next button is the Mount ISO Images. This is for you to mount an ISO on the virtual drive here that you have already created. I will show you how to use this later on. And this is a very interesting button. This button adds a virtual drive. Now this virtual drive is not like the physical drive on your laptop or tower. What this does, this adds a virtual drive in your Windows operating system. So it only exists in the operating system. So if I click on it, you will hear the Add Device sound. And there you go. You see your new drive appears. So if you go to computer, and you would see your new drive G is here. And as you can see, it takes a drive letter just like your C drive, D drive, and if you have an E drive, it takes a drive letter as well. So Windows manages all of that. And this other button here, you can remove that virtual drive. You can make as many drives as you wish, and when you are ready to take one away, you just click on it and click on remove drive and say yes. And there you go, it's removing the virtual drive. If you have use for this, you can also add a SCSI drive. Just skipping this one for now. Daemon Tools also allows you to burn an image with astral burn if you would like to do that. That's burning the ISO you've created to a CD. But what we are going to do, we are going to take a CD or DVD and create an ISO from it. This is where this button comes in, make disk image. So go ahead and click make disk image, and the disk imaging box here pops up, and as you can see, by default it already selects your D drive, which is your default physical drive on your laptop or tower. So you go ahead and insert your CD or DVD of your software or movie that you want to create the ISO of. I've already inserted mine. And next we have the reading speed at which Daemon Tools is going to read the information on that disk. Well, you can leave this at default, and then is the destination image file. This is where your image is going to pop up. You can leave it at default, or what I do, I just pick mine. Just for this tutorial, I will set mine to come up on the desktop, and you can rename it right here as well. I'll call mine my new image. There you go, and click on save. And the rest of the options here you can leave as default, and then you click on start. Oh, my disk is empty. So go ahead and click on start, and there it goes. Your image is being created right before your very eyes, and you didn't even have to do anything. All you had to do is point the program in the direction of where your files are. Now this process will take some time according to the power and speed of your computer, but after it has finished, I will show you how to use the new image you have created. Now, as you can see here, our disk imaging process is at 100%. You can now go ahead and click on close, and as you can see, my image here is in the form of the Daemon Tools icon. It's already on my desktop. Let's go back to Daemon Tools and click on browse image, click on desktop, and locate your image. There it is. Click open, and then you could either click on the you could click here on the E drive, or should I say right click on the E drive, go to mount, and it will allow you to search for the image here as well. So that's two ways you can search for your image. Click on my new image, open, and there you go, it's mounting my image, and mine happens to be a movie. So there it is, how to create an ISO image. You can also double click on the image here in the catalog, my new image, and it will mount as well, and it will play automatically, and you go to install it or whatever you want your image to do. And there it is, how to create an ISO.